In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Vanish mode on Facebook Messenger. Facebook has moved away from the old Vanish mode label and now focuses on disappearing messages inside end-to-end encrypted chats. That means you might not see a switch that literally says Vanish mode anymore. Instead, the same idea is available as a timer that erases messages after a set period, once both you and the other person are in an encrypted conversation. Not everyone will see the exact same wording, and availability can vary by app version, so keep that in mind as we go. Before you start, make sure your Messenger app is up to date. Head to your device's App Store and install any pending updates. Also, remember that both you and the person you're chatting with may need the feature available for it to work properly. If one side doesn't have the latest version or encryption support, the option might not appear. Here's how to use disappearing messages. Open Messenger and go into the conversation where you want messages to vanish. At the top of the screen, tap the person's name to open the chat settings. Look for Privacy and Support and tap it. In that menu, find the option labeled Disappearing Messages or Vanish Messages, depending on your version. Tap it, and you'll be able to choose how long messages last before they disappear. Pick the duration that fits your needs. These timers usually apply after a message is seen and only to messages sent while the timer is on, not to older messages. You may notice a small note in the chat showing that disappearing messages are active, which helps everyone understand what to expect. Because this feature is tied to end-to-end encryption, you'll typically see an indicator in the chat that it's encrypted. If you don't see that, Messenger may prompt you to enable encryption before you can use the timer. If the option doesn't appear, double-check that your app is updated, close and reopen Messenger, and confirm that the other person updates their app as well. Availability can change as Facebook rolls out features, so it may show up later if you don't have it yet. A quick tip for privacy. Disappearing messages help reduce what remains in the chat, but they aren't a guarantee. People can still copy, forward, or capture content, so only share what you're comfortable with. That's it. Open the conversation, go into Privacy and Support, turn on disappearing or vanish messages, and set the timer that works for you. Try it out with a trusted contact and see how the chat cleans itself up automatically.